January is almost over. Let me show you what I've made so far. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. I am a sewing content creator and pattern designer for No Me Patterns. Before I dive into what I've made so far in the month of January, let me share with you all the progress that I have been making on my new hobby. I told you all in a previous video that I was going to be starting crochet, and I've been taking classes on Craftsy. Thank you, Craftsy, for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know, Craftsy is an online community and resource for DIYers, makers, creators, also just go and find inspiration, or you can start a new project or just grow in a craft that you may already have. They offer over 2,000 classes there with different categories ranging from knitting, crocheting, painting, photography, cake decorating. I mean, the list just goes on and on with the different type of classes and the variety of them that they have in that community. What I'm loving most is the class that I am taking. The instructor is fantastic. She's talking plain English to me. And that is so helpful. The videos aren't overwhelming and jam-packed. Like, I have a little bit to do and I practice that and then I'm ready for the next lesson. So I'm having so much fun on Craftsy. This is my first swatch. Look at me. Yep, I did that, okay? And this is another one. I've just been using this same, is it a skin yarn? I've been using the same one. I am so excited with the progress that I have been making. One day I will have a full project to show with you all, but for the time being, this right here, this just does it for me. And I'm taking my time. I'm not trying to be an expert because I am not, but I'm just having so much fun learning this. So if you would like to see what Craftsy is all about, I have a link down in the description box. The first 1,000 people to click the link in the description box will get a full year premium membership to Craftsy for only $1.49. That offer is valid for new members, but again, go ahead and check it out. It's $1.49 full year premium membership to Craftsy. Let's get into what I've made in January. January has been full of tutorials for me, so I have been filming how-to tutorials for simplicity. So the first thing that I made was a waistband extension. If you do not know how to attach a waistband and add this little extension here, this is something that's common in trousers. I filmed a tutorial for it. So this will be coming live on YouTube on Simplicity channel. So again, this is the first thing here. I just walked you through the steps of sewing a waistband extension. The only thing I did not do was add buttons and buttonholes because you may be working on a pattern that has you doing something a little bit different. Like you may have a bar and a hook type situation. I don't know, but I walked you through everything else. And then you can just follow whatever pattern you're doing on adding the closure. But waistband extension was the first tutorial that I filmed. The second one was a sleeve placket. If you've been intimidated by sleeve plackets, or maybe you just don't know the steps, I filmed a video for you. So you'll be able to follow along with me to install a nice, clean sleeve placket. I'm not even gonna front. I shocked myself with this one. I was like, oh girl, way to go. So this was the second thing that I have made in January. It may not be a finished garment, but I did some sewing. The third thing that I made, this one right here, is a vest with a lining. So I filmed a tutorial on how to sew a vest that has a lining, how you would close up the lining, how you would pull the fabric right side out. I went ahead and filmed that. Again, all of these tutorials, they'll be live on simplicity.com really soon. So definitely just subscribe to their channel and keep a lookout for them. But yeah, if you have been wanting to make a vest, you've been intimidated by a lining, I filmed a quick tutorial to walk you through how to sew it. Next, this one right here is installing side seam pockets. This is something that we all need to know. And so if you have been, again, intimidated, maybe you've just started out sewing, the idea of adding pockets is just like, whoa, we're not doing that. I got you. I filmed a step-by-step tutorial that will walk you through all the steps to install a nice, clean side seam pocket. That is that one. This one here is, for me, this is like a slant front pocket. I know you probably can't see it that great, but for me, this is just like a slant front pocket. But hey, these PDFs are what I make the video based off of. And you can download these as well from simplicity.com. You can make your own kind of tips and technique book that you can just flip through. These are free to download, and they're in multiple languages as well. And so yeah, this one here is sewing pockets with facings and yokes. So this one here will be up soon. Again, if you're not confident in doing that, some sewing tutorials are on the way to help you. So my January got off to a little bit of a different start. Normally I would hit the ground sewing and making garments, but this time I've been sewing tutorials. But I'm really excited and grateful for the opportunity to be able to do these, and definitely make sure that you all are staying on the lookout for when they are live. If you've enjoyed today's video, you can check out these 2 previous What I've Made videos. Hopefully you'll be inspired to make something new. And don't forget to check the link in the description box, or you can just scan this QR code here. Again, the first 1,000 people to click my link will be able to get a full year premium membership to Craftsy for just $1.49, valid for new members. Until next time, blessings everyone. Bye.